With Meta AI, that is the AI, the artificial intelligence by Meta, Facebook, WhatsApp, you can create animation. So if you are planning to start a faceless YouTube channel and you need characters that will be your video uh, elements that you want to use to create stories, you can use this Meta AI to generate animations. So here is what meta.ai. You can just use any browser to visit meta.ai, then you will have this. Now in the box provided, put the prompt that will work for what exactly you want. Let's say I want a man uh pushing a box, a man pushing a box. So I will now put it in the prompt box, put a man pushing a box. Now after putting that, you can add more information based on what you want. Maybe it is what, a cartoon, a realistic one, but let me just use this for you to get what I mean by creating animations with your AI. Now after a while, it will load and bring four different images. It will first of all be in images. Now you are to create the animation by clicking animate. Once you click on animate, it will turn your image, that same image, into a video format, mp4 format, and then you can proceed to download the image. Can you see? I like this fourth one and the first one. So if you are creating a story of a man, maybe he's doing something, he's transferring a box. So you first of all uh write down all the things, the major part of your video story, then you will now start putting it one by one. Now please subscribe so that after this I'll create a video on how to add all this together to form a simple story that you can use for your faceless YouTube channel. Now let's click one of it and download. So after clicking one of it, the one you want, you prefer, so you click the three dots that it will display at the top, and then you click on download. So that is it.